Hello guys, I got another scooter. The other one uh, just working fine now because I put it on the side and it just went back to normal. So I guess something internally wrong. Um, I will try to use both of them. Probably will keep both for now and see how it'll go. So I'll unpack this one. I'll do unboxing and see what is inside. Okay, well I already know what is inside, but you guys don't. And I got it from Costco. Only a few days to deliver. This one I pay full price, $300, which is also not bad. The other one I got it just $60 off in a local warehouse like a while back. Okay, so it came very well closed, packed. So almost all ready to use, very easy to put together. Okay, I'll just use a knife. It's very clean. There's no oil, no dust. Good box. So you take this piece up. Booms, it's all set. Right here. Okay. The wheel, and here's the adjustment, so you can adjust the way you want, and I'll probably adjust this way. So the bell you can twist the way it's really comfortable, and that's it. You can make it stronger by twisting. That's it. Some protection. Alright, guess what missing? The seat. The seat is missing because it's in the box. And when you open the box, you have to be careful not to cut the seat. Okay, here's the seat. It's kind of short, could be taller, but it's okay. It's probably designed this way for shorter people. Done. The charger inside. Also these two pieces need to be installed very easy. You just screw it in. You don't really need a tool like this. That's why you put your feet on. It's a plastic, looks like hard plastic. So you just screw it in. then you will have the protection you put over here. Okay, I'll put this one later. You don't really need it in California because we don't have rain in here, but I'll just put it later on. Okay. Here's the charger. I'll try to use this charger because maybe the other one was defective. And it comes with a manual, and if you have any questions, there should be a phone number on the back. You just call them up and they'll try to help you. They open 7 days a week, 10 to 6 Eastern time. Oh, it does have a tool inside, so I'll put it now. The tool, especially for putting the protection here. Okay. Alright, so you just align so it will cover the wheel, and let's see if there's power in. Okay, we got some power. And what else? Oh, I need to put some air because, yep, you can ride it. I can ride it in my house. Okay, so nice. I want to show you guys what is here. Okay, this is for battery. You can see there's 4 levels of battery charge. Usually when you are in cold weather, it's kind of dying very quickly, so the battery is good up to like 6-7 miles probably in cold weather. When it's warmer, probably longer. You can ride. There's a bell, it's manual, then there's a switch button, and here's a light. Up and down you'll have a light. The brakes will flash regardless if your flashlight is on or not when you press the brake, and the brake is right here. It's only rear brake, but you can install front brake if you want, but you don't have to. And there's a feet hole. That's about it. And there's actually space for charger over here. You put charging over here, adapter, you just put it in, and you charge about 3 to 6 hours, no more than 6, until the green light on. And there's a fork. If you need to put them in a tank, you just do like this. You can put it in the tank. And it's not that heavy. You can take it to the beach, to the park, anywhere you want. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the video. I would like you to subscribe so I can put more fun video and you can see and tell me if you like it or not. So I'll see you next time.